Hamara Vikasit Sankalp Yatra officially launched today at Bhoirymbong C&Rd block by the distribution of work orders to diverse beneficiaries benefiting from various schemes implemented in rural villages. Umroi MDC R.R. Karbuki graced the occasion as a chief guest. The function was also attended by numerous beneficiaries, block development officers, P. Mukim, and officers from the relevant line departments. The Vikasit Bharat Sankalp Yatra 2023 was also conducted yesterday at Malikona, Baghmara. During the program, awareness on PM Svadini health-related schemes like MHIS, CMSMS, PMJAY and other schemes were highlighted by officers of different line departments. CEO Baghmara Municipal Board also flagged off the IEC van.